Hi, I'm Rob, and this is how to install a laminate benchtop. Let's get into it. Laminate benchtops are a great choice. They're tough, easy to clean, and come in a huge range of styles to suit any space. Installing one yourself is absolutely doable with a bit of prep and the right tools. Start by checking your base cabinets. They need to be level and securely fixed in place. Use a spirit level across the top and adjust the legs or add packers if needed. A flat, stable base is key for a good result. If your benchtop has a join, it may come pre-cut from the supplier. Joining laminate benchtops can be tricky and hard to get a clean, professional finish, so it's best to order any joins already prepared. This means you can simply align and secure the pieces without needing to cut your own joining holes or channels. Before fastening your benchtop, you'll need to mark out any cutouts using masking tape. Some appliances come with a template. If yours does, simply lay it over the top of the tape and trace an outline. Then remove the benchtop and drill 10mm holes at the corners to make it easier. Then use a circular saw and a jigsaw to make the cut. Once done, seal the edges to protect against moisture. Dry fit your benchtops to make sure everything lines up. Ensure the edges are flush and any joins fit snug. If your join has been pre-cut, you may have pre-drilled holes and connecting hardware supplied. Apply PVA glue to the mating edges, push them together and tighten the connectors using a spanner. With benchtops joined and sitting flush, secure them to the cabinets underneath. Pre-drill through the cabinet rails into the underside of the benchtop and fix using 28mm screws. Take care to avoid punching through the surface. For extra support, fit the L bracket to the back of the base cabinets and screw them into the benchtop. This will hold everything firm without breaking through. And there you have it, your laminate benchtop is installed. If you like this video, make sure you check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.